morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. Today we'll be doing a very interesting poem, that is playing with colors. As we all know, colors, they are the brightest object in the life of an individual, and colors, children usually loves to play with color. So let's just begin with this beautiful poem, that is playing with colors. So let's just begin. So the title of our poem is Play with Colors. Colors के साथ खेलना. And what is this with? With is basically a preposition, right? So in this poem you will learn the different names of colors and we will be reading and enjoying this poem. इसके अंदर हम different names पढ़ेंगे colors के बारे में और we will be reading and then enjoying this poem. So orange is the orange. Orange, we all know orange color is the orange only. Yellow is the sun. We all know sun, it is yellow in color, whereas brown is the beer. The beer, it's in brown in color, right? And purple is the plum. और जो plum होता है, plum is a fruit और ये क्या होता है, purple color का होता है. Red is an apple. Apple कौन से color का होता है, red color का होता है. Green is a tree और green पेड़ जो हैं वो हरे रंग के होते हैं. Black is the witch head. चुड़ैल की जो हैट होती है उस वो कौन से कलर की होती है, ब्लैक कलर की होती है. आई कैन रीड एंड लिसन टू देम, और मैं उनको पढ़ भी सकता हूँ और सुन भी सकता हूँ. एज दिस पोएम इज एन एनोनिमस मीन्स इट इज रिटन बाय समवन हुज नेम इज अननोन, जिसके बारे में हमें नहीं पता है. Moving on to the word basket, the first word is plum. Plum is a kind of a fruit. I have already explained you, and which is an evil-natured woman, जो कि एक चुड़ैल होती है, right? Moving on to the exercise, the first exercise is the oral exercises, where we'll be learning how to pronounce each word correctly. So the first word is orange, then the next one is yellow, then the further it's brown. Moving on to the next is purple, then it's apple, then it's green, then witch, and then listen. Moving on to the tick the correct option. So the orange is dash in color, the orange is orange in color, right? The beer, it is brown in color, whereas green is the tree, right? And the witch hat is black in color. We'll be writing the next lines of the poem. Orange is the orange and yellow is the sun. Right? Brown is the beer and purple is the plum. Red is an apple and green is a tree. Right? And black is a witch hat and I can read and listen to me. Moving on to the true and false. Orange is an orange in color. It's true. The beer is black. No, the beer is brown in color. And the tree is green. Of course, it's true. The witch hat is brown in color. No, it's in black in color. Moving on to the answer the following question. You will be doing all these question answers in your respective notebooks by your own. And I hope you all like this poem. This poem was very beautiful. It was very small, where we learn the name of different objects and their respective colors. As yellow, it's as sun is yellow in color, where we can see the witch hat, it's in black in color, beer is brown in color, tree is green in color. So we have recognized several colors by differentiating different objects. So you will be writing 8 to 9 lines on your favorite color and your favorite object related to that color. And please study properly and keep smiling. Thank you.